When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Hey guys, welcome to my life as a mirror. Today's video is going to be a what's in my purse video. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with these videos, but I want to show you guys what's in my purse because I feel like watching what's in my purse, what's in my book bag, kind of helps to get to know the person. So let's get right into the video. So the type of purse that I have is a Michael Kors handbag. It does have a strap because it has areas for the strap to connect, but I don't use the strap. I just use the hand straps. I don't use the belt. I use just the hand straps. So my purse may be a little bit messy, but whatever. So in this little in my purse, this is what it looks like up in there. In that first little compartment without the zipper, but to the side, I have a piece of gum and I have a Slim Jim. And then I have some socks because like lately I've been wearing my Uggs a lot, and I usually just take my socks off after a while. And then to the side I have like $25. I always keep some cash on me. Oh, I try. Then I have my wallet. Then I have a Visa gift card package. I have some gift cards to Old Navy and to Bath and Body Works. I have some receipts. More receipts. Oh, this is a mess. I have some, it's called 1,000 Wishes. It's a fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. I have that, and then I also have Magic in the Air 24-hour Ultra Sheen body cream from Bath and Body Works as well. And then I have some gum, because you always need gum. Oh no, all my gum. That's just trash. And I have a Belvita because I always have snacks in my bag. And I have some gum wrappers. I have some lip gloss. These are my two current favorite lip glosses right now. Lip glosses. I said lip gloss. These are my two current favorite lip glosses right now. It is the Roadway Vita Lip Mango Butter Lip Gloss. It hydrates dry skin, softens, shines, contains vitamins, and it's the mango one. It smells so good. Like, can we just take a moment to acknowledge my makeup? And then the next one that I like is RK by Kiss. It is the hydrating lip oil. This literally has like mint or peppermint or something in it that gives you like this minty feeling. It's so amazing. And then I have a Blistex. I never ever apply lip gloss or anything without something on underneath first, so like a Blistex, a Carmex, or Vaseline. And then I have a hair tie. I always try to keep a hair tie with me. You never know what you're going to need it for. And then I have some Carmex, like I said. I never ever apply lip gloss or lipstick or anything on my lips without this on there first. That's like my base. That's like my primer. Then I have a Jack, a literal Jack. Don't know what it came from, but it's in there. Then I went to the mall and they gave me this lotion. They gave me this scent on a thing. Okay. And then I have some gum wrappers, like literally gum wrappers. I have more Jacks. And then I also have some change. Like, what is this? What is this? But I have some change. I always try to keep change because you never know. But I think that's it in my purse. This is a very short video because wait, I have more receipts and change. Yeah, but that's it. Wait, and I have a bobby pin, a huge bobby pin, and a small one. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned to my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.